Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Here is a present. Oh, what a pretty ribbon on the present. Should we unwrap the gift? Let's unwrap the present and see what's inside. Let's open. This is a shark. I found a shark. I found a shark. A shark. I found a shark. Look, the shark can shoot. It can shoot the ball. The shark can shoot a ball. Here's our present. Let's unwrap it. Let's unwrap the present. Oh, what did I find? It's a TV, a toy TV. I can watch a show. Do I want to watch this show or this show? Maybe I could watch this show. A show. What kind of shows do you like to watch? Okay, look, there was another gift. Let's unwrap it and see what we can find. I found a ship. A ship. A ship. I found a ship. A ship. I found a ship. It's a blue ship. Look, there's another present. I wonder what it could be. Should we see? Let's see what we can find. Oh, what is this? It is a sheep. We found a sheep. Look, I found a sheep. A sheep. I found a sheep. A sheep. Look at the cute sheep. Oh, I found another. Oh, I found a shirt. I found a shirt. Look, the sheep can wear a shirt. Oh, she looks good in the shirt. She really does look good in that shirt. Shirt. I like that shirt on you, sheep. So I found a shirt, a sheep, a ship, a shark that shoots, and some shows. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.